In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to wrap text in Airtable. If you're working with long field names or content that gets cut off in your table view, this quick setting can make your base much easier to read. Wrapping text helps Airtable display more of your content without forcing you to constantly widen columns or click into individual records. Let's walk through how to do it. First, go to Airtable and sign into your account if needed. Once you're on the Airtable homepage, you'll be ready to access the workspace or project where your data is stored. If you use Airtable often, you probably already know that each collection of tables is organized inside something called a base. That's what we'll be opening next. From there, open the base where you want to adjust the text display. This should take you into the table view where your records, fields, and column headers are visible. Make sure you're in the correct base and view before changing any display settings, especially if you manage multiple projects. These adjustments are usually view-based, so it's a good idea to confirm you're editing the exact view you want. Now look for the row height option. This is the setting that controls how much vertical space each row uses in your table. Click on row height to open the available display options. Even though the label focuses on row height, this menu also includes useful layout settings that affect how text appears on screen. After that, click on the Select a Row Height dropdown. This opens the menu where you can choose how compact or expanded your row should be. Depending on your current setup, you may see different row height choices that affect how much text is visible inside each cell. This is useful when you want to make longer entries easier to scan at a glance. Next, click on Wrap Headers. This setting allows the text in your column headers to continue onto another line instead of being cut off in a single line. It's especially helpful if your field names are descriptive or longer than the column width. Once you enable it, the headers should immediately become easier to read. That's it. You've now wrapped text in Airtable by adjusting the display settings for your view. If your table still feels cramped, you can also experiment with row height to make cell content more readable alongside wrapped headers. Small layout changes like this can make a big difference when you're working in large or detailed bases. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you keep your Airtable workspace cleaner and easier to navigate.